Hi there, guys. This is Mustafa Sattar Ananto. Please do kindly note that I had invested around 2 million US dollar last year, and that was my last penny. So nowadays I am kind of a street baker, but not anymore. You know something? On 2nd of June, one of my LinkedIn connections shared me a link. From that link, I have been able to make thousands of US dollar. Please do. Let me show you some live pictures of that affiliate program. This is my just my one day earning. You can see today it's around 172 US dollar, right? Also, let me show you something. These 4 US dollar transactions are quite frequent, right? These are for email ID verifications. One verified email ID, you will get 4 US dollar. And this 75 US dollar, as you can see, it's for elite referral ID. You understand? So what are you waiting for? Please do kindly hit like and subscribe to my channel, and also please do visit the description of this video and kindly please do join this US dollar making machine. Okay, thanks.